You never believe what this guy brought to a car show in Italy. Is Pat go?
Why do you sound so bad?
So we're back in Italy for Stanceland. We're on top of a mountain. And yeah. What do you think, James?
I like pasta.
We are in Stanceland HQ. This is Rudy's office. Some cool shit in here. Deck chairs. What do you think he does at this desk? What do you do?
What?
Yeah, let's have a look at some of his stuff. These are pretty cool. He's got 3D printed wheel cap removers. I like this idea. If we have this on our store in the next few months, you know where we stole the idea from. Good quality tees. Check these guys out. Whoops. Nice. Yeah, they got a Vespa. Do you think he'll let us out in this Vespa? I'm gonna ask him. Oh, hello.
Hello.
We're just having a tour. Yeah? What do you think of Stanceland?
It's good, look. There's only about 10.
Let's have a look. What is this, James?
I believe that that's his father's Audi.
Not his?
No, it is his. It was given to him. But I think that's who originally owned it.
Oh, really? It's very cool. I personally had no idea this was an Audi 80. That just shows you my car knowledge. Looks like a Saab or something.
It's got really sick brake lights.
Why? What do they do?
They're like all wee LEDs and they go like...
So yeah, this is where Radu lives, obviously. So he's got his office and kind of this whole compound where he keeps a couple of his cars. Also keeps these here. And he made this as well. Cool, so there you go. Welcome to Stanceland.
How you doing?
Probably something I'm going to regret, to be honest with you. Like, my new FPV drone. It's my first ever FPV drone.
It flew off.
So basically, the controller was broke. I think the throttle has had a knock in the bag because they don't have a case for it. So, and I throttled up, and the thing just took off.
Oh my good God. Oh, that's gone?
Yeah, like I knew the controller was broke too as well because it wouldn't calibrate. So the throttle stick basically like jumping on the telemetry screen. And I was like, I didn't even have my goggles on and all because I was like, oh, let's take a wee spin to make sure it's okay. And it was just going to fly right in front of me. And then all of a sudden it just went.
Did it fall out the sky? That's it.
That was it. So after that, resorted to these DJI ones, which are alright, but they're very easily broken this set. And this is the third one. Because it broke the other two. Yeah, I'm not very good at FPV, so we're going to try this again today. Wish me luck. I think this one goes here. Does it go here? I have no idea. How to correctly and safely remove and install the propellers. How does this work? Oh shit, hold on, I have to do something as well.
5 minutes later. Much later.
Uè, belli! Ma che, what is it? Amigo, grazie amiga! Grazie amigo! It's like an FPV drone. Grazie amigo!
Do you know what this car doesn't have? Seatbelts.
You don't need seatbelts.
I know. Well, like, you're not going to just hit the window, you'll go right through it. We have arrived at some bar, basically where these guys are having, well, they want us to shoot the intro of the film, and it consists of them basically just getting wrecked. Not really sure what just happened there, like they're all being really lively, and then when we asked them to be lively, they all went quiet. No! 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 Everyone needs to cheer!
A little longer than a few minutes later.
The air on the engine of the Beetle.
Beetles broke down.
7 hours later.
Okay, so this is 7 hours. 7 hours later, I finally figured out how to actually calibrate the IMU. So we're going to take it a flight. You'll probably never see the drone again, so you might as well have a wee look at it here and wish it luck.
Good luck.
I'm gonna test this button.
They're pretty close to it. They reckon they can jump and hit it if you don't. Yeah. Hey, doggies. You only speak Italian, don't you? That's why you didn't understand.
God, it's so fast.
You didn't lose it.
Thank God for that. That was petrified. So whenever I turned it on, I checked the angle of the camera before I put it into manual mode, and it was at level. And then when I flipped into manual mode, all of a sudden it was flying like so fast. I was like, what the fuck? And realized that the angle automatically went to like full tilt. So I was like basically flying as fast as it could. But got
It came back.
Yeah, it's back. Happy days. Happy days.
Cheers. Cheers.
Lovely. Okay. Really good. Really good bears, guys.
Do you want? Okay, so James wants me to go around to people and shake their hand randomly.
James, call out the first person.
Talk about it.
Adam, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Adam, nice to meet you. See you later.
See you later, bye.
There we go. Finish that off. Finish it. You want shot? Yeah.
Right now.
Come on.
He's dirty.
I've got it, don't worry. I got it.
I got you. There you have it.
Your hands are empty. Don't have a glass.
You're not getting a little bit too much.
Oh yeah.
I can probably get a drink here, like, see camera,
Early the next morning.
Thank you. Grazie mille. Oh. This is what happens when you don't bring any cash. Yeah, works. Happy days. Grazie. Arrivederci. Yeah, didn't bring any cash cards. Sure.
Is it good, James? Delightful.
Louisa. You have a very nice goat.
Help. Hai una bellissima capra. Thanks.
Couple pretty cool cars here so far. One of the favorites, probably this Jag, actually.
He obviously knows British culture very well because he's got the Queen.
And then he has Mr. Bean. Man must have lived in England, though. Knows the crack. Fellow English speaker.
TJ?
Hello, TJ.
Yeah, from Eurospotter, isn't it?
That's it, yeah.
I almost always say Euro Crew. Anyway, fellow English speaker TJ asked me how heavy the movie was, so now he's carrying it.
Yep, scammed. Got scammed by a scammer, you know.
Adam!
What the f***'s going on around here? Yo. See, you know what's actually so crazy? I said there's a chicken farm. That's a chicken farm. Like, oh no, it's not. That's goats.
James, we survived.
Yeah, we made it. Well done.
Holy.
This is just the start, lads.
Jeff Bezos, never leave us again.
Yeah. What?
Never leave us again, because we got a lift with some crazy guy.
Who?
He's even crazier driver than you. Some English guy called BJ.
I'm a nice driver in any condition.
We're gonna go film with this guy.
Nice.
Eventually.
He looks like he teaches surfing. Do you know how to surf?
Yeah.
Do you know how to surf?
Yes.
Do you do pizza? Do you do Hawaiian?
You do pineapple on the pizza?
Napoli.
No.
It's
Ask her in Italian. Ask her in Italian.
Ti sta chiedendo la pizza con l'ananas, digli che non ce l'hai e che non la può prendere.
No, veramente l'abbiamo anche fatta.
Ask her if she does barbecue sauce base.
Sta chiedendo se vuoi anche se puoi mettere anche la salsa barbecue.
No barbecue. I wanna. Why not?
Because you're in Italy. You just can't.
There's ham in my plate.
There's a ham in my plate.
There's ham in my plate.
Es inevitable.
The next day.
So Sunday, car limbo time.
What's gonna win?
An MX-5.
Amiata.
Much later. Moments later.
Oh shit. This is Angelo. Angelo? Yeah.
That's good already.
Oh. The master.
Didn't wash my hands. Whatever.
Oh, you get that bit.
It's like maggots. Blue pineapple?
Oh, that's pretty good.
I have an uni. Do you have an uni?
No.
Cheese.
You like that?
It's a triple cheese.
Oli?
Grazie. He made this. James just asked me, did we start the vlog? That's clearly that shows you how much beers he's had.
I don't know what you do about it.
So that's it. It's over. Don't know what the fuck that was. And that's Stanceland over for another year. Good show. Nice weather, except for the small bit of rain. And many mosquito bites. Lots of pasta, lots of waiting, some cool cars. Don't know what else to say. It was good. Thank you to Radu and all the boys for inviting us over. And yeah, Jeff Bezos here.
Yeah? Hi, guys. Jeff Bezos.
Say a few words.
Jeff Bezos without money.
Anyway, so yeah, that's it. If you like this vlog, blah blah blah, who cares? See you next one.